When you sign in online, you should use different passwords for your safety, but remembering all of them is impossible. So, how can you solve this problem? You can use password management software, such as Bitwarden. So, let's see how to download and install it on Windows. As a first step, search for Bitwarden on Google and visit the website at www.bitwarden.com. On there, click View Plans and Pricing. Select the Personal tab. Scroll down and click the Create Free Account blue button. Now, insert your best email address. Type a new profile name and a master password, which is the only one you will need to remember. And read and agree to the terms of service and privacy. Now, pass the CAPTCHA challenge and click Create Account. At this stage, you can log in to access your secure vault. You will use the email address and master password you've just created. The first time you enter your online Bitwarden vault, you must verify your email address to unlock access to all features. So, click the Send Email white button on the right. Open the message you received from Bitwarden and press Verify Email Address now. At this point, log in again, and start by adding a new folder. Once finished, add a new item by pressing the related button in the center of the screen. Choose the item type in the drop-down. Give it a name. Associate it to a folder. Insert the username. And create a password automatically or manually. At last, add the login URL, write optional notes, and press Save. You can also mark the entry as a favorite. Awesome! You've just created a new password element you can retrieve by accessing the Bitwarden vaults. Let's see if it works. Open the item and visit the URL. Then copy and paste the username and password. And here you are. You can even delete the entry whenever you want by clicking the red trash icon on the bottom right corner. Now, let's discover how to download the Bitwarden desktop app. So, visit the download page at www.bitwarden.com/download. Then, click the Windows link to get the related native application installer. Once you have it, click the X file to launch the wizard and press Install. At completion, click Finish to launch the Bitwarden desktop app. Now, log in with your account credentials. And that's it. You are using the Bitwarden Windows app, which features the same user interface. From there, you can add new folders and items and access any website by copying and pasting the saved credentials. You will never need to remember any password, but the master one. One last thing, any editing you do on the web version will reflect in the desktop app and vice versa. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.